How to deactivate Facebook account on a temporary basis. Hi everyone, this is Susan from Create Login and Delete, and without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open your Facebook application on your phone and make sure that you are logged into your account. Then you can see the hamburger icon on the bottom right corner. Tap on it. Then you can see the option of settings and privacy. Tap on it and then tap on settings here. Then you'll come across this page. Then in Account Center, tap on Personal Details. Now after tapping on it, you can see various options here. Now tap on Personal Details again. Now you can see Account Ownership and Control. Tap on it and you can see Deactivation or Deletion. Tap on it again. Then tap on your profile here. Now you can see two of the options here. Make sure that you have selected Deactivate Account and not Delete Account. Then tap on Continue. Then you have to enter your password here. Now after entering your password, simply tap on Continue. Then after following these steps, you can successfully deactivate your Facebook account on a temporary basis. So that's all for today, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.